So we are going to cover the answers for metric mania conversion sheet. So we're going to start off with 1. 2,000 milligrams equals how many grams? So 2,000 milligrams going to grams. We're going to the left. So we're going to move the decimal places to the left. 1, 2, 3. 2,000 milligrams equals 2 grams. 5 liters equals blank milliliters. Liters is the base unit, milliliters is smaller. So we're going to move 3 times down the steps. So it's going to be 5,000 milliliters. 16 centimeters equals blank millimeters. Centimeters is 1 higher than millimeters. So we're going to move the decimal point once to the right, or we can multiply by 10. So it's 160 millimeters. 104 kilometers to what meters? Kilometers are 3 steps above meters. So we're still going to the right. So we're going to move the decimal point 3 to the right, which would give us 104,000 meters. 198 grams equals how many kilograms? Grams is the base unit, and we move it 3 decimal spots to the left. We can divide by 10. So it's going to be, sorry, not divide by 10, divide by 1,000. So it's going to be 0.198. 2,500 meters to blank kilometers. Meters is the base unit. We're moving 3 steps to kilometers. So we're going to the left, so you can divide by 1,000 or move the decimal point 3. So 2.5 kilometers. 480 centimeters to meters. Centimeters is less than meters, and it's 2 steps less. So we can divide by 100, or we can move the decimal spot twice to the left. 75 millimeters to liters. Milliliters is 3 steps below liters. So we move the decimal point to the left 3 times, or we can divide by 1,000, 0.075. 65 grams to milligrams. Grams is the base unit. We go to the right 3 steps to milligrams. So we can multiply by 1,000, or we can move the decimal spot 3 times. 65,000. 5.6 kilograms to grams. Kilograms is the high unit, grams is the base unit. We move to the right 3 times. So we can multiply by 1,000, or we can move it 3 spots to 5,600. 50 centimeters to meters. 50 centimeters. Centimeters is 2 units below meters. So we will be moving to the left, so we can divide by 100 or move it to the left 2 decimal spots. 6.3 centimeters to millimeters. 6.3 centimeters. We move it to the right 1 spot because millimeters is less. 63 millimeters. 8 millimeters to centimeters. Millimeters is less than centimeters. So we will move it 1 spot up to the left or divide by 10. So it's going to be 0.08 centimeters. Whoops, 0.8. I apologize. It's only 1 spot. 0.8. 5.6 meters to centimeters. Meters is the base unit. Centimeters is 2 units below. So we're moving to the right. So you can multiply by 100, or you can just move it 2 spots to the right. So 560 centimeters. 120 milligrams to grams. Milligrams is 3 less than grams. So we're going to move it to the left 3 spots or divide by 1,000. So it's going to be 0.120 grams. Remember, you have to always write the unit behind the number to ensure that you get credit.